Today we're going to be doing a Google Drive tutorial with the docs. So to get to Google Drive, you're going to go to your Google page. You're going to hit these little squares up in the corner, and you're going to click on Google Drive. So this is your drive where all your little documents will be stored. These are all mine. And to get a new doc, you're going to click New, and you're going to hit Google Docs. And so it's going to pop up a blank template, which is pretty much almost exactly like a Word document. It has a little extra features. So the first thing you're going to want to do is title your document so you know what it is when you try to pull it up on your computer. So we're going to just call this Kines 205 doc. And then from here, it's just like I said earlier, a Google Doc. So we can just type, whoops. This is a doc for Kines 205. We are doing Google videos. Once you have typed everything that you want to type out, if you're doing a group project with other people in your class, you can share it. So you hit this button up at the top and you can share it with others. So I'll just share it with my Lafayette email. And then if you want, you could just add them a little note like, hey, look over this for me. And then you can send a link if you want to. And then down here you have more settings. And so here's the link you can send, or you can share it via Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, or Gmail. So here it is. You're going to get a notification. I can also send a copy to myself, or I can paste the item into an email. And then down here, there's two little options. You can prevent editors, so who you're sending it to change and adding new people, or you can not allow them to download your work. So I'm just gonna hit done. And then once the link does get sent out, you can go to this option over here, and there are 3 different editing modes. This first one, just editing, they can make changes directly, and it will be changed automatically. This suggesting, you can click on that, and the suggestions will be added as comments on the side. So you can say, capitalize Google. Add comment. You can and once you do make the changes, it will pop up on the side. So if I don't want to add this capitalized Google, I can just go ahead and change it right now. And then it will make the suggestion on the side. And then the last option, viewing, the people can only look at it, they can only read it, they can't make changes to it at all. So just like in a Word doc, you have your options up here. You can change the text. You've got big headings, smaller headings. You can change the font to something cool if you want something cooler. You can change the font size. You can bold it, font color. And that is Google Docs. Oh, also a cool thing is all your changes, I don't know if I said this earlier, but all your changes are made, y'all are saved automatically. So you don't have to continually keep pressing that save button. And if your computer, cuts out in the middle of your work, you don't have to freak out and start all over. So that is Google Docs on your Google Drive.